Good morning. Welcome to AP Human Geography Week Plan, week number 8, October 5th through the 9th. This is your last full week. Well, gosh, it's not even a full week because you don't go to school on Monday, but this is your last week before fall break. So hopefully that is a good feeling for you. All right, let us get going. So to start, we're going to talk about kind of the reminder of what you need to have accomplished this week. Starting in class last week. So you were supposed to read the first key issue for the chapter on migration. That's going to be chapter number 3. And as always, it's recommended that you answer the accompanying guided reading questions in the online binder, as those will be hopefully very helpful to you on the reading quiz that will be coming up after fall break. I posted on, I believe, Friday, the video lecture for Issues of Overpopulation Part 2, so that should have picked up where you left off in class. So make sure that you got done with natalism, so antinatalism, pronatalism, and then the video lecture will start at the epidemiologic transition, which talks about the different reasons for why you die of different things during the demographic transition model. So please watch that. And then once you watch I added an additional link. I had forgotten for some reason to put hidden momentum, but with the hidden momentum link at the bottom of the week 7 folder, that should be it in terms of all the key terms you would need for chapter 2. And so you need to be finishing up the chapter 2 key term slides. You need to have those basically done before class. If there are any definitions or examples that you would like me to go back over, you are more than welcome to email me. And, if you are in my Thursday class or my Tuesday class, remember my Tuesday class, if you're cohort A through K, that I will be gone for the Grandview State Golf Tournament that we're at. And so, you guys will probably want to email me with any questions. And then just don't forget that day to turn in your key term slides. If you're in cohort L through Z, I would be happy to answer some of those questions in class before we turn them in, but we will be turning them in class. So just understand that there's going to be more of a hard deadline in terms of turning those in. You need to turn them in the day of your class. So A through K, that's Tuesday, and L through Z, that's Thursday. All right, and then I put some helpful video clips that are about 5 minutes each, maybe a hair over or a hair under, I can't remember. But one of them explains the demographic transition model, and then one of them explains population pyramids. So please watch those. I think you'll find those entertaining and in terms of good quality information. All right, so this is what we're going to be covering in class this week, and you can kind of decide if you'd like to get ahead and not have work over break. So let me kind of go through this. The first thing is, now this you're going to at least start in class and probably finish it, but you're going to at least start in class. We have a mini project on the application of the demographic transition model. So the mini project is called Understanding the DTM, and you're going to look up demographic information for different countries. You're going to graph them on a map, plot them on a map, and make a choropleth. And then you guys are going to be writing short response questions for different aspects of the DTM. So that will take probably 30 to 45 minutes of class. And so everybody will do that in class, and then you'll probably finish it out of class or over break. Hey, the second part of class this week, you are going to be watching an antinatalism video on China's Lost Girls. It highlights China's one-child policy and the social impacts of that policy. So that will be the second half of class. All right, and then I'm going to post probably on Tuesday morning before class. I'll make sure it's posted so that you could watch it, a video lecture on migration. So this will kind of take us through key issue 1 of migration. And what I'm asking you to do is to bring your earbuds or AirPods or whatever you kids call them these days. I don't know what the old people call them versus what you guys call them. But bring your earbuds to put in your ears so that, if you want to knock out the video lecture, the last part of class, if the video gets over. Now, I don't know if the video will even get over, but if it does and we have time left, I would like you to at least get started on the video lecture of migration. But I do not want you to do this until the video is over. So if the video gets over and we have time remaining, then I will let you get started on your video lecture for migration. If we don't get to it in class, then you'll need to cover that on your own. And my advice would be to get that done before break. That way you don't have to do it over break. But hey, if you want to wait and do it over break, that's fine too. Don't forget to take notes from the lecture. Instead, don't just watch it. I would also take notes from it. That would be a good idea. And then you are going to read chapter 3, key issue number 2. Now, for most of you, you may want to just do this over break. If you, like I said, I'm giving it to you ahead of time. So if you want to, while you're reading key issue number 1, if you want to just knock out key issue number 2, that would probably be a good idea. Do the accompanying guided reading questions, and then you won't have any work over break. But again, if you want to space this out, if you want to just kind of do it a little bit at a time, just know that by the time we come back from break, whatever day that is for your class, these things need to be done. So give yourself some time and get them done. All right. If you have any questions, of course, you can always email me. I think that is going to be it for today. So as you're watching this on Monday, I've given you work to do. Make sure that you get it done. All right. Have a good day, and we'll see